back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tere. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this New Year's Eve look. I think it's perfect for New Year's Eve. It has that glitter, that pop of lip, and it's very simple. If you'd like to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. It started. Today I'm going to be using a POREFESSIONAL. I'm going to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Just apply it. This will smooth the surface of your face and just get it ready and primed for foundation. I'm going to apply my foundation, and today I'm using Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage. So since this is a New Year's Eve look, then you want some type of coverage to stay on the whole night. You know, you're probably partying, you're dancing, whatever you're doing, you want your makeup to stay on all night. So this is what I'm using today. I'm just going to apply it on each side. And then I'm going to use my Real Techniques foundation brush. I feel it running here. This is how I like to apply my foundation. Spread it out, tap it on, and then I like to go in and buff it. Now we're done with my foundation, and I like to move on to adding my concealer. And as always, I'm going to use this Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. This is my favorite concealer. So this is my crazy face. This is my war pink, ready for war. So now I'm going to blend this with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender or Real Techniques sponge. And I'm just going to tap it on there. Now I'm going to set my concealer by using Mercier's translucent powder. And I put a little bit on the cap. See? And then I'm going to use the same Real Techniques sponge to apply it under my eyes. Now let's move on to the eyes. Today I'm going to be using JACLYN Hill's Morphe palette. This is such a beautiful palette. This is what the palette looks like. These are so beautiful. I'm thinking about doing a brown color on the crease, doing a wing eyeliner. Use this color. I'm going to put it on my crease. Oh, and I'm using this fluffy Lucky brush to apply it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. We're just trying to define that crease. So now we're going to go in with this kind of like rose gold glitter. So I'm going to use this flat Morphe brush to really apply it there. Very pretty glitter eye. I'm loving how it's coming out. What do you guys think? Thumbs up if you're liking this video so far. So this is good. Now I'm going to do the other eye, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner, and I did my other eye. This is what it looks like so far, so get a good look. I'm using this Urban Decay Heavy Metal glitter, and it's so beautiful. It's gold, and I think it's just going to finish the eye look for this New Year's Eve look. it looks like this. And I'm just going to apply it on top of my wing eyeliner. Carefully. Going to let this dry off and then do the second layer. Going to do the same thing to the other eye. And I'm going to apply some in the inner corners of my eyes. With the same color that we used on our crease, I'm going to put it in the bottom of my eye. Really makes a big difference. It opens up your eyes. And I'm just using an e.l.f. blending brush to blend that out. Okay, now we're going to apply mascara. And as always, I'm using this Essence Get Big Lashes. So we're done with that. Now we're gonna add some color. We're gonna add some color to our face by contouring. Shade and Light by Kat Von D to contour my face. And I'm gonna be using this buffing crown brush. And I'm gonna use this middle color, which is the Shadow Play. Just going down a little bit. Use the same translucent powder by MERCIER to define my cheekbones. Clean that up. So we're going to let that sit for a bit and then we're going to swipe it off. And while we're waiting for that, I'm going to apply my blush. And today I'm using this Tarte Seduce color, the one that took me forever. And I'm going to apply that in the apples of my cheeks. Move this back. Very nice pinky color. Bring some color back to your cheeks. I feel like I have a beard or something. So pretty. Very buildable. I love it. Put on my false eyelashes, and today I'm using Allure's London Volume Multi-Pack number 33. This is what it looks like. I already took out the eyelashes and I'm going to put them on. These are very glam eyelashes for New Year's Eve. I'll wait for the glue to get tacky. And then I'm going to apply it. My eyelashes on. They look pretty good. So now I'm just going to swipe the setting powder. Okay. Looks good. Now to finish this look, I'm going to set my setting spray with this MAC Fix Plus. And I'm going to apply my highlighter. Today I'm going to be using Tarte's Pro Glow. I think it'll just tie it in with the gold. I'm going to be using the shade Stunner. I'm going to spray some Fix Plus. Apply that Stunner on. Really pretty. It's going to be shining all night. Today I'm going to be using a red lipstick. You already know I'm using ARRIBA. There you go. I just love using a red lipstick for the holidays. It's just, I think it's just a very nice color for any occasion. Okay, I'm back. This is my look. I'm wearing my New Year's crown and I'm ready to party the night and, you know, spend some time with family and friends. And yeah, so if you like this look, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. I will see you in the next video. Besos. Thank you for watching.